Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're going to do my version of the Miami burger. A Miami burger is basically a hamburger with Swiss cheese, sliced ham, dill pickles in a bun. I'm going to switch it up by making a Miami smash burger. We're going to double it up, and instead of using regular dill pickles, we're going to use the Famous Dave's signature spicy pickles. So those will spice it up a little bit. We got to have a little bit of spice, right? So anyway, I'm going to get this Blackstone uncovered, and we're going to use 80-20 ground beef. I'm going to do quarter-pound balls, then we'll smash them, get the build on. They're going to be so good. So anyway, let's get this thing uncovered. Get ready. Like that. Alrighty. See you in a few. For the Miami smash burgers, I'm going to use about, I don't know, half a cup or so of mayonnaise. It calls for Dijon mustard. I don't have any. Yellow mustard is fine. I'm going to put a tablespoon of yellow mustard. And then it also calls for roasted garlic. I'm just using my minced garlic out of a jar. I'm going to use just about half a tablespoon and get that in there. And then we'll just mix it up really well. And then once we get the burger all made, this is going to go on it. It's going to have great flavor, easy sauce to make, and that's how you do it. Just mix it up really well and let it sit while you're making your burgers. And I'm just telling you right now, this is going to be delicious. And here I've got 2 pounds of 80-20, and I'm just going to cut them in fours so that we can get 4 1/4 pound patties out of each pound of hamburger. How easy is that, right? And then of course, you just want to shape them up a little bit. You can make a ball. I'm just kind of squeezing them together. You don't want to squeeze them too tight. Anyway, just like that. Okay, here we have our hamburger balls out of the Blackstone Griddle. Just take your spatula with some parchment paper. You smash them down and hold it for about 10 seconds. I do have the Blackstone hamburger smasher, but I like my smash burgers to be a little thinner. So I use my spatula and just press down and hold for about 10 seconds. And just let it cook for, a minute or two. You'll start seeing the edges turn brown. You'll start seeing little openings in the center there. And that way you know that they're getting nice and crispy on one side. And then you just flip them over. As soon as they're done, look at that. These are going to be good. And then as soon as I flip them over, I start adding my cheese so that it gives it time to melt. The inside will cook for sure. So we got Swiss cheese, we got some smoked ham, just thin sliced deli ham. Stack it on top. And then I'm going to add another slice of Swiss cheese. Take those 2 off and get them back up here. I'm going to make these a double. So these are going to be some big burgers. Add a little ham, the cheese, take them off. Here they are inside. We're going to take our toasted buns, our brioche buns. Let me get my stack of hamburger, Swiss, and ham. Look at that. Oh my God. Get my spicy pickles, get my sauce. And, it calls for dill pickles. I'm using the Famous Dave's spicy pickles just for a little tiny bit of heat. They don't have much, just a little bit. I'm going to put a spoonful of that sauce on top, and there you go. Check out this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's Miami smash burger, my way. If you get a chance, give these a try. They are delicious. All right, those Miami smash burgers were from last night. They were filling, they were delicious. I gotta tell you, these are really based off of a Cuban sandwich. So it's got the Swiss cheese and the ham and the pickles. If you get a chance to make this type of smash burger, go for it. Smash burgers are awesome. You can make them all kinds of different ways, and I'm sure I will. That was part of my Friday night burgers that we do every Friday night. And those Miami smash burgers were a hit. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.